Legally Speaking with Crocker Law Firm.
Today on Legally Speaking, we're talking about big truck wrecks. Cyndi, how are these cases different from a typical car wreck?
The first question when you're dealing with an accident caused by a semi is why? Why did this happen? Which is not the same question as whose fault is this. We have lots of cases where that's very clear. We have cases where a semi just plowed into the back of traffic that had slowed or stopped on the interstate. So we know who's at fault. But what we want to know and what the families really need to know is why did this happen? The first thing we look at obviously is driver error. And questions like, was he following too close? Was he speeding? Was he distracted? Was he impaired? But we also look further. Let's look at the company and their hiring and training processes and whatever pressures they may put their drivers under. And of course, we want to look at the vehicle itself. A national study found that 40% of wrecks caused by semi-tractor trailers had a mechanical issue as a contributing factor. And that tracks with what we're finding in our practice. We've had several cases where our experts found problems with the braking system. And when those failures happen, the results can be catastrophic. So many times there are multiple factors that contribute to a wreck like this. And when we identify everything that went wrong, we not only give the family more answers, but we identify everyone who is responsible and should be accountable to this family.
How do you find all of these answers?
Well, first of all, you have to know what the questions are. You have to know what you're looking for, and it helps to have a lot of experience with big truck cases. You also need to have a team of experts. We have an accident reconstructionist, a trucking expert, mechanics, a whole team that's going to help us look at all this and figure it out. And what we really like is to get them involved as soon as we can after a wreck has happened. It puts us in a better position to get you the answers that you're looking for.
Thank you, Cyndi. Join us next time for Legally Speaking.